Welcome back, viewers. In last three videos, we had checked out the Clear Linux OS. We will continue to do so in further videos. But to change the topic so that many people don't get bored, I will again do two videos on Arcolinux. If you remember, we had reached the phase 6. Phase 6 was completed. We saw the installation of the Arcolinux using the Arcolinuxs ISO. In phase 7, already we have done. So phase 7 is nothing but installing the Arclinux, the Archway. So if you are expert enough, then you can do the Arclinux installation from the terminal. So you remember, you need to remember the sequence of terminal commands to attain the goal of installing the Arclinux. If you are not that expert, you can use the Arch install helper library, or you can use the Anarchy ISO. So that will help you to install the Arch Linux. So we have done the two videos on that. You can watch them. So even phase 7 is that way completed, because we have shown you how to install the Arch Linux using the Arch install helper library, which is found inside the Arcolinux ISO, and the Anarchy installer ISO is also available. So you can visit the Anarchy website. All those details are given in the video that I have done. I think in the last month I have done the two videos using the Arch install method and the Anarchy ISO. So you can visit those videos and install the Arch Linux. So phase 7 is also completed. In the phase 8, there are two ways. So you can use the LC method, or you can use the Carly to install the Arcolinuxs ISO. So friends, these both the methods I also need to study, because that requires, it is a little more complicated. It requires a study before I can present you with a video. So that might take some time. So please be patient. Meanwhile, this video and in the next video, we will do the installation and the review of Cutefish OS. That is the Cutefish Desktop that we will install using the Arcolinux ISO. So we will be using the Arcolinuxs ISO. So totally two ISOs of Arcolinux are pending for our review. So Arcolinux X and Arcolinux XS. So in this video we will use only the Arcolinux S, and we will install the Cutefish Desktop. And sometime maybe later in this month, or in the next month, we will do the detailed review of the Cutefish OS also. So before that, let us try out the Cutefish Desktop from the Arcolinux. And once this Cutefish Desktop is completed, then we will again go back to Clear Linux, and then we will do some 2-3 videos on Clear Linux itself. So there will be some interesting things to check out in the Clear Linux. So let us start. I have already downloaded the Arcolinux S ISO. So it is here. So let us start the installation. So let us open it in boxes. Use the Arch template. Click on next, customize. Take the memory to 4 GB as usual, and installation of HDD size, it should be around 25. Hit the create button. Choice. Now what I am proposing for this installation is that we will not install any additional packages. Let us see what the minimalistic desktop is installed using only the available packages on the ISO. So we will not install any extra packages. We will just go with the minimal things, that is the kernel and the default whatever the app packages are there in the desktop itself. So we will just select the kernel and the desktop. That's it. So no any extra applications will be, so not even wallpapers. Let us see what wallpapers come in the minimal desktop that will be installed. So this way you have to just experiment with the different desktops, different ISOs, different distros, so you learn more, and of course you will be able to achieve your dream of the distro or desktop that you want. What is in your mind, you might get it. So you have to just experiment with the things. So this is the Arcolinux welcome app, and we are now booted in a live desktop. So first of all, update the Arcolinuxs mirrors. So here also there are two methods, easy install and advanced install for the Arcolinuxs ISO. So I will not go with the easy installation. We will go with the advanced installation. Let us check out what they have to offer for the advanced installation. So let us click on the advanced installation. So we are greeted by the CalMS installer like every time. So this time again we will go with the default kernel. So we want to keep it as minimal as possible, and then we will just use the Intel code. In drivers we will use the Intel video drivers, VESA drivers, and the Open Chrome drivers. And let us go with the LightDM display manager. And here search for the Cutefish. It should be there. Yes, here it is. So this is the basic configuration that will be installed. So there will be some wallpapers, the tweak tool is there, the Arcolinux root is there, config all desktops is there, Cutefish is there, and the Cutefish dconf is there. So we will go next. I will not select anything. Let us see what happens. Just leave as it is. We will not select any of the extra packages. No nothing, no communication, no remote connectivity. Let us see what happens. No office. Office also no, we don't require office. Let us see what happens. Is the extra packages pulled by the default Cutefish installation or what? Let us see what happens. No even fonts also extra. Let the only default fonts come. No audio software, no video software, nothing. Let us see what happens. Even in browsers, let us not select any browser. Let us see what happens. Then we will check out the size of the installation. So we will learn more things about the installation this way. So nothing, we will not select anything. No themes, no icons. Let us see what happens. No cursors, no extra packages that will pull the even plasma. So nothing, it is just bare minimum. No graphics, no games, no terminals. Let us see what happens. No file managers, no disk utilities, no printing utilities, no accessibility features. Or maybe we can have accessibility feature. That's not necessary. My keyboard and mouse is working perfectly. So let us go ahead. So no utilities for timesheet, ButterFS, no Snapper, ButterFS, no Android utilities, no iOS utilities, no benchmarking utilities, no installers or launchers, or maybe we can go with the installer and launcher. So let us go with Flatpak support, and or better just keep it blank. Let us see what happens. No power management also. No backlight management, no hardware discovery, nothing. Let us go for the plainest of the plain installations. No utilities, extra utilities, nothing. No accessories, no Git, no password manager, no privacy, no VirtualBox, no VMware, nothing. No development packages. Yes, now Selection of packages is over. Now we are into the local. So the local has been correctly selected. Now the keyboard layout, like always, we will go with the erase disk option. We will go with the no swap. Yes. Let us go with the XFS. Shall we go with the XFS? What we can do is, let us go stick to the extended for only. So let it be this bare minimum installation. So we will not do anything. Let the system select. No extra packages, nothing. So let it be extended for only. Now, yes, bootloader location, MBR of BDA. Now select next. Configuration of the username as usual. As usual, the same password. Use the same password for admin account. So check out the summary. Summary looks okay. Now we can confirm the installation. Installation has started. Now we wait for the installation. So this is going to be interesting. We have not chosen any of the packages. No extra packages. Let us see what the ISO has to offer. Maybe it will download some of the packages, but not all. So we will try to keep it as minimal as possible. So this is the minimal Cutefish desktop installation using the advanced install method. So this will be the title of the video. Let us see what happens. I am excited. We are experimenting. And experimentation is possible because this is Linux. You will not find such kind of experimentation is possible in other operating systems. Okay, so the installation is now completed. I have done one further experiment in this installation. So Cutefish OS is based on KDE desktop. The Cutefish desktop is also it is based on KDE desktop. So during the selection of the software, I have deliberately selected SDDM also. So we wanted to just to check, suppose what happens if two display managers are there, because when we select the Cutefish desktop, it will pull the plasma dependencies, and it will automatically select and install the SDDM display manager. But just to make experiment, I had selected the LightDM display manager. So we will see what is the response of the system when the two display managers are there with one desktop only. So in the next video, we will check out the Cutefish Desktop in the Arcolinux. So I will stop the video here. Thank you very much for being with us during the course of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell button, otherwise you will miss the new videos that are uploaded every day. We upload 1 to 2 videos every day. Friends, I would like to request you again and again, please subscribe to our channel. Please support our channel. We want to grow the subscribers fast. We want to achieve the 1000 subscribers to monetize the channel. Please support us by reaching the 4000 watch hours and 1000 subscribers. Right now we are nearing the 100 watch hours. Please subscribe, please subscribe. I am telling you again and again. So it gives us motivation. Of course, we need money to continue doing the good videos for you people. So let us have a common target that we will achieve 1000 subscribers. You will support me in achieving that, and 4000 watch hours. Please be sensitive. Help me. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.